Merry meet everyone. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and I'm of course here to give you your weekend reading. I just want to say it's a beautiful, wonderful Saturday morning, and the energy around us today is of honesty, it's of growth, it's of beauty, it's of being able to say what we wanted to say for the longest time, and making sure that we are comfortable saying it. It just feels that everyone around us, every energy around us is just helping us do exactly what we need to do, because we have started and we're going to continue to make our own future. This is extremely important. And in saying that, let me show you today's card. It's 29. That is the storyteller. And the message it says is expansion. In the Red Indian tribes, storytelling was not just about telling stories. It was about memory. It was about knowing how to remember things that made an impact, that were very, very important, and that would help the future generations as well. So storytellers were very, very important people who traveled from village to village, from community to community, from clan to clan, tribe to tribe, telling them of everybody else and of their own, of their own achievements, of reminding people of their own achievements. Through the storyteller, people would understand that they had to remember things. So because they were only, there was no writing at that time, there was only listening, and there was putting down to memory, So storytellers often told stories that would help people solve their problems. Sometimes it would show people the right path. Sometimes it would give people a message that they really needed to have, because that is what is going to take them forward from the space they are in right now. Today when I pick up the storyteller card, it tells me about how you need to go down memory lane. You need to go down memory lane and enjoy a few happy moments, or re-enjoy a few happy moments that you had. If you feel like it, take a pen and paper and write things down. Write down your happy memories, write down your learning memories. There are no bad memories, there are learning memories. Memories that you learn from, experiences that you learned from, and experiences that you just thoroughly enjoyed, things that changed for happiness. All memories have happened for a reason, and the memories that have stayed are important. Remember these memories. Place them in a space that honors them, and believe me when I say this, it is not just going to be your memories from this lifetime that are talking to you. Memories over many, many lifetimes are open to coming back to you this weekend. It's going to be a powerful weekend if you want it to be. And when it talks about expansion, I'm just saying go all out. Go out with an open heart, an open mind, an open being. Allow things to come to you and allow yourself to give. I'm very connected to this card in this moment. So I hope it makes sense to you. I'd like you to see it one more time. If you're an elder, this card says you have a responsibility towards the children. And children learn best from stories. They do not need to be condemned or punished. If you have to teach a child a story. So a happy example. I hope you enjoy this card as much as I do. Tell me how it felt. Tell me what came up. And tell me if you had memories of beauty. Lots and lots of love to you. Have a great, great weekend. I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye. Love you.